A smart irrigation system is installed very comparable to a non-smart irrigation system, I guess you could, a standard irrigation system. The biggest difference is the control head unit that goes in. Whereas kind of the old school way of doing it used to be the timer and the clock was actually on the wall. You walk out to the clock, you tell it what time, how many days per week, and then the system would automatically come on according to whatever you program. Smart system, however, is a lot different because what it's done is they've actually made it where you can control it from your phone, and your phone is the interface that you use. The box that's on the wall now is basically just kind of a head unit per se that receives the commands. So the neat thing about the new smart systems are, number one, they're based in the cloud. Number two, you can run them from your phone. And number three, they will automatically adjust if set up correctly to your local weather conditions. So the neat thing is, if it predicts that it's going to rain, it may shut your sprinkler off or reduce the amount of watering that you have. So probably the biggest advantage of smart systems is water savings. Not running unnecessarily, they save money. We found that the smart systems are a huge money saver when it comes to how much water they use. So they'll cut your watering back for anywhere from 100% in the spring when you don't need it, all the way to 10% in the summer when you really truly do need it. They will adjust on a daily basis in terms of what it sees to water your lawn as optimally as possible. Cloud-based, app-based irrigation systems are the way that everything's going. People like the convenience of being able to just make a change from their phone. We live in a digital world, so anything that somebody can control from their phone, they love it. I wouldn't go back the other way. Why walk out to your garage and it sounds like first world problems, but but the ease and convenience of having an app to access your controller it's a huge game changer. No, great, and that's a great question. So the way it works is, whenever you program your controller through the cloud, it pushes the program to the controller. If for some reason the internet goes down, the cloud drops out for a little bit, that program is hosted on the actual unit in the garage. So it will work as programmed, but then when the cloud comes back up or the internet comes back up, they reconnect, they sync, they download their data, keeps operating as it should. So they've got some redundancies in place to where it won't totally shut your system down.